Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. Honey, as you see from the title, I just wanted to show you all some of my holiday faves. Well, they're favorites right now, because the favorite list just changes. We just got to keep it real. Favorite lists change all the time, okay? And so this is my current holiday favorites that I've been rocking and rolling with, and just wanted to bring some of my lovelies to the table, okay? Let's get into it, shall we? Yeah, let's. So before I get started, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, all of the things, okay? Once you see this video, I'm sure it's going to be after Christmas, okay? So I hope you had a great time with friends and family. I hope you had a great holiday season, okay? And we're still in the holiday season, okay? Because New Year's is right around the corner, okay? December is done. December is done, and 2025 will be here just from a blink of an eye, okay? But before I get started, again, let's address the elephant in the room. I know you saying, who is this girl on my screen?
Who are you and what are you doing here?
She a blonde. So I had to bring on the blonde, okay? And so I just, it was Beyonce Day.
Did somebody say my name? Hey, it's me. Beyonce. Beyonce. Queen baby. Baby. Oh my God.
Okay, Beyonce came out, okay, for the halftime show, and we saw it. She was seen. So I just had to get into my Beyonce era. She just had to be a blonde. So here you go. Dress the elephant in the room. Beyonce. Well, not to say I'm Beyonce. I didn't say that. I said my inner blondness had to come upon the channel, and here we are. So she's still the same person, but blonde style, okay? So first, let's get into it. I've talked about this fragrance a time or two or 100, okay? This is my Christmas fragrance, okay? I wore the turtleneck, it just gives me that vibe. And I am talking about none other than Maison Margiela By The Fireplace. Yes, this is my Christmas scent all the time. I think each year it's just, I have to reach for it. Like, it is a must, okay? This is such a beautiful, sweet fragrance in my opinion. It definitely gives you smoky woods, right? The fireplace gives you the memory of a fireplace and that cozy type of scent. So being a woody fragrance, it's still delicious to me. And we have chestnut in this, okay? I've talked about this several times. Of course, vanilla. Of course, we have cloves in this. Gives it a little bit of a spice, but everything nice in this fragrance. Such a classic for me, okay? I wouldn't say this is a blind buy purchase, maybe for the masses. However, it definitely works for the Christmas season for me. Gives me comfort, coziness, and everything that I want to feel for this beautiful Christmas season. So next, I have been testing and trying this fragrance, and I'm getting it. It's definitely going to be on my wish list, okay, for 2025. But I am talking about none other than the houseofbo, and this is Casa Blanca. All right. I believe I have found the tea scent of my dreams for now, okay? I have been on the hunt for a good tea scent, and this is it, okay, fam? This is so good in this winter cold season. I am enjoying this. It gives me fresh, but with more depth. Like, it gives me fresh spa, but it has a little, might I say, sexy. It gives me like a pleasant sexy. Anytime I am thinking about this fragrance, I've said this before, it reminds me of Lisa Ray and just the all white. Like, I feel like this is the clean essence of like a clean girl aesthetic for like all white, you know, like the all white parties, the yacht, the really, the new money, okay? New money rich girl. She's into fashion. You know, has her shopping spree. Like, this is that type of vibe. But, you know, I would think this tea scent would just fade away in the cold season. No. Okay? She might be bougie. She might be very clean, classy, all white, you know, has her dog, but she's not a runner, okay? She is not a runner. She is not running from you in this cold weather. She's meeting you at the door, okay? She has that confidence. I adore this fragrance. Not only does it have tea, but we have fig, which gives it a little fruity flair, okay? We also have vanilla. We have tobacco. And I believe that tobacco and the oud that's in here, and maybe the labdaman. Like, I believe all of those notes is what gives you that depth, okay? But then that fruity fig, the white tea note kind of gives this the clean aesthetic, okay? But this is such a beautiful, dominant, fierce fragrance that I think you would enjoy this winter season. It's on my wish list. I'm getting it. All right, getting it. All right, moving on. So this fragrance gives me New Year's, right? For me in the new year, I really focus on different goals that I want to achieve, right? What we doing? Okay, what we doing in 2025? And this reminds me of that. It gives this dominance of a intense fragrance, but it goes in subtle. It goes in steps, right? I feel like once you're going into the new year, you're not doing everything at once. Well, I'm not doing everything at once on the goal list, right? I'm going day by day. And if it veers off and it goes somewhere else, I'm like, okay, cool. I might have to reset. Okay, let's go. But for me, I'm not like, boom, this one, boom. Like, I give myself grace to veer off, to move, you know, to just be free, right? Goals, a plan, but if it doesn't work out, I'm flexible. All that to say. But this fragrance just gives me that 2025 feel, and I'm talking about none other than Marcjacobs Perfect Intense. Yeah, you're like, it gives you all of that? Yeah, it gives me all of that. Now, I don't know what it gives you, but I'm talking about me. It gives me all of that. Oh, it's so classy, so pretty, right? Pretty, dominant, addicting, right? But it gives you the flexibility to, like, if you want to douse it all on, you know, you can douse it. You can be heavy-handed, and you just don't have to be heavy-handed in this. It gives you, like, you know, free to do like errand days, right? This is an easy reach, easy grab and go. And it also gives you the flexibility to be on a beautiful first date, you know, maybe a date, okay? A sexy night in the bedroom night, right? It gives you flexibility. It gives you room to move and groove. And that's how I am in 2025. When I wake up, I'm like, oh my gosh, January 1st, okay? Where am I going? Girl, I'm just getting up and I'm going to take a shower. I'm going to get dressed like I did the day before on the 31st. But I have goals, right, that I'm setting in my mind. And I'm able to I'm moving with it, right? Throughout the year, I'm taking it day by day. I don't like to be too serious. You all know the type of, you know your sis, right? Let's just keep it real. You know your sis. I don't like to be so stuffy and serious, you know? Like, even with my reviews, I'm like, I can't be stuffy, because then you will never see me again. Not on this channel. I may not be here. But I just wouldn't be doing this, because once it gets not fun, very serious. I don't want to do it no more. This is my unseries. I got serious at the work, at the job place. I do serious daily. When I'm on here, I just like to be free. And anyway, we're talking about the fragrance. Girl, I thought this was like a counseling session. Ooh, baby. Okay, but Marc Jacobs Perfect Intent just gives you the flexibility to do what you want to do with this fragrance and still smell beautiful and gorgeous and great. So it gives you jasmine, we have almond, and at the end, it gives you the best, in my opinion, woody note, or one of the best woody notes, in my opinion, which is sandalwood. If you love a good sandalwood fragrance, this is you in 2025, 2024. Well, we done with 24. We've gone to 2025. 2026 and on. Okay, this will exist for you as long as you want it to. Okay, sis. All right, moving on. Next up, we have this beautiful fragrance. Okay, one of my holiday faves that as you let it sit, it gets better and better and better and better. Okay, we got ice cream, we got brown sugar, we got vanilla, we have even toffee, we have Mahni Cassonade. Yes, from Navitus. This is amazing in partnership with Sharita M. This beauty, honey, if you have not heard about her yet, where are you? Where are you in the fragrance world? Because the girlies are talking her up, and for good reason. It is so beautiful. A beautiful gourmand. I love her down. The white amber that's in this, the cashmere. Like, this is such a beautiful rounded fragrance. And again, the longer it sits, that ice cream, that gourmand, the deliciousness, I know. It just keeps getting better. Like, do you all have the same experience? It just keeps getting better. And don't you love fragrances like that? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I love a fragrance that can just keep getting better with age. Like, it doesn't lose it just keeps going up. It keeps getting stronger. If you want to smell like a vanilla, brown sugar, vanilla a la mode, and if you don't want to smell like that, sorry. I'm just trying to find the words, right? But those that do, okay, let's come back. That you want to smell like an ice cream a la mode, baby. Get this brown sugar. Like, listen, okay? If you like Kayali's Vanilla 28, but you're looking for like maybe a sweeter ice cream, creamier type of vanilla, you better get you some Mahni Cassonade and stop playing with yourself, okay?
What did you say?
Stop playing yourself. All right. Moving on. Last but certainly not least, we have a beautiful bringing in the new year celebration type of holiday fave that has champagne, rose, we have clove, we have all types of woody notes, cedar, just a dominant celebration scent and still smelling unique and beautiful and sexy. Who am I talking about? Yeah, you said it. Dom Rosa, okay, from a liquidesimaginaires. This, sis, yeah, holiday favorite and cuts through the winter. She said code. She said code where? Code who cares, okay? She said champagne. Champagne. Honey, listen. If you don't want to smell bubbly, spicy, rose, like you just got out of a rose petal luxury bubble bath, if you don't want to smell like none of that, stay clear away from this, okay? This is champagne, champagne, okay? This is liquor.
I like a fifth of ripple.
I beg your pardon?
We'll both have champagne. Yeah, that's good. Champagne and ripple. We'll mix them together. That's my favorite. I call it champipple.
Liquor. Okay? I have to define my words because sometimes it just come out and people like, what you talking about? Girl, I don't know what you talking about. Liquor. Champagne. But this is so beautiful and good and unique. This is such a great holiday fave. I love reaching for this for celebration purposes, and I will be reaching for it in the new year. Like, facts. Why she's on the list, okay? Well, family, let me know, what are your holiday favorite fragrances, okay? Comment down below, give lists, right? Because the family, we want to know what's out there, right? This is not just for yo sis. We want, as a family, as a community, we want to know, what fragrances are we wearing to celebrate your favorite holiday, favorite fragrance? We want to know that in the comments, okay? So take the time, please, and share with the family. We would love, okay, to know. Make sure, family, you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up so more people can get to this channel and find moi, okay? Well, the new moi. Make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace, yeah. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.